So hey you awesome people, in this video I'm going to show you about how you can create smooth Instagram carousel for your feed, for your company's profile, or how you can stand out with graphics that you can create on your Instagram profile. Okay, and the more intuitive the graphic, the more engage based graphic you create, the more number of people it will reach. Okay, the more number of people will interact with it. Okay, so let me share my screen now. Okay, so first thing first, we have to know about the Instagram photo sizes and guide. Okay, so these are the recommended ratios and pixels that you can create carousels for. For example, if you have to create a square carousel, you have to choose this dimension 1080 pixels into 1080 pixels, and if you are creating a taller version of carousel, you can choose 4:5 ratio, and that the size of one image in the carousel will be 1080 into 1350 pixels. All right, and also you can go for landscape carousels. Okay, but the most frequently used are the square one and the taller one. Okay, 4:5 ratio, and these are the sizes. After you have a visualize the design in your head that you are going to create a 1:1 ratio or 4:5 ratio. According to that, we are going to use a free tool Canva, okay, to create these carousels. Okay, and how I create them I will show you in this video particularly, so you can stay till the end of the video to get everything from this video. Okay, so for example, I have just logged in into my let me show you one example of the carousel that I've created, and I will exactly show you the process that through which I created this carousel. Okay, so as you can see, this is a carousel, and with the first image saying that every free tool to create awesome graphics. And when you see this on your Instagram feed, it will look amazing. Okay, I will put this link in the comments below. Okay, and you can experience this on your mobile feed. Okay, so this is almost, I guess, 7 pages, 7 images carousel. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, yeah. So this is 7 image carousel, and I will show you how you can create up to 10 images carousel easily with Canva. Okay, now you have to click on create a design, and you have to go with custom size. Okay, now you have to go to custom size. Why custom size? Because if you are creating 10 images in one carousel, then you have to choose the width of the uh, initial image is would be 1080 into 4. Okay, because yeah, you have to create in two parts, because Canva do not allow 10,800 pixels. Okay, so we will do it in two parts. Okay, I will show you. So you have to be a width of 4320 pixels into 1080. Okay, the height will be 1080 pixels only. Okay, okay, so I'm going to show you how you can create 8 images carousel with Canva easily. Okay, so we will choose a custom size of 4320 into 1080 pixels. Okay, and we will now click on create new design, and also I will show you the design that I have created. This design I have created using Canva. Okay, now now, oh sorry. Okay, now you have to choose a background. Okay, so first thing first, background, choose a very good background per se. Okay, for example, let's take this background. Okay, and this looks pretty awesome. Okay, and now you have to go to file, and you have to choose show rulers and show guides. Okay, so guides are helping tools that will help you in during the creating process of your design. Okay, then you have to go to at 1080. You have to stick your uh, guide at 1080p. Okay, vertically, so that you do not so that you get particular image size, the particular element that you have to place. Okay, at a particular position. Okay, now 2160, now you have to place at another guide at 2160. Okay, so yeah, 2160. Okay, so just place it accordingly. Okay, and then the third one is you have to place at I guess it will take automatically into 4 part, or I have to just a second. Okay, and place it at the equal, so that image is now divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, now 4 equal parts, and now start placing the element. So for example, summer season is coming on, so let's take this mango. Okay, so as you can see, the main motive of creating Instagram carousel is that when someone scrolls over the carousel, the smoothness of or transformation or transition between the two images will be so uh, so transparent that you would not realize that these are two different images. Okay, so that's the motive. Okay, so let me grab some more tomatoes, sorry, tomatoes, not mangoes. Okay, so here this is okay, and now let me duplicate the same. Also you can change the background. Now just see the trick. Okay, I will rotate this background like this. Okay, and I will send it backward, so the design that has started, okay, it will be most like a bit similar. Okay, here I can use different fruit images. So you can create your instagram Instagram carousel according to as per your liking and design. Okay, I'm just showing you the basic step to do it, and then I will show you that how I created that carousel. Okay, so this is how you did. And when you after creating this, so as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, let me also put some text over here, so that it is more visible to you. Okay, so one, yeah, okay, so as you can see, you can place a lot of information in your carousels, so that people can actually take value from your Instagram post and everything. Okay, so we are almost done here in creating our 8 let's say, let me rename everything, so that it will be more clear to you that you have to use guides and how you have to place the elements in the carousels. Okay, and this 7, this is the last image. You can do the same procedure for 10 image carousels. Okay, there you have to choose the width 1080 into 5. Okay, and the height will be the same. Now you have to download this. Okay, let me like test. Okay, and you have to download these two particular images. Okay, so it will be downloaded as a zip file. Then you have to unzip that file, and then we will use a online tool to divide those two images into single 8 images. Okay, I will also show you that. So here, as you can see, we have this downloaded folder, and we will extract those two images here. Okay, so now this is our first image, this is our second image. Okay, and now we will go to an online awesome tool, pinetools.com/split images. Okay, now you have to choose your first file. Okay, so I'm choosing the first file, which I have to divide into four equal parts. Okay, and accordingly we will upload those parts, okay, on your Instagram profile. Then you have to choose how you want to split the image, vertically or horizontally. So if you split vertically, so it will be like slash vertically, and if you want a horizontally split the image, it like 1 2 3 4. Okay, So how many number of blocks you want to divide? So we want, so as we have decided that we will divide into 4 equal parts, so we will choose a quantity of block will be 4. Okay, and then just click on split image and it will do its magic, and just click on row 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. So all the 4 images will be downloaded. Okay, and these images are split. Let me show you. So as you can see, the first part of the image is downloaded, 1 2 3 4. Okay, we will do the same process for second one, second image that we have created using Canva. Okay, the same settings are there, and you have to click on split images, and it will do its magic, and you can download the rest of the images. Now let me show you all the images that we have just downloaded. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, you can change the content, you can add the CTAs, you can add the headlines, you can do whatever you want in the creative side. It's your choice. Okay, now we have created these images, and these are ready to go. These are ready to go on your Instagram feed, and it will look amazing. Okay, let me know your thoughts down below in the comments section of this, and I will be ready to help you if you face any kind of queries, question related to this. Okay, I hope this is very good tutorial for you to create how you can create. And as you can see, this is the creator that I have created using Canva, and there are okay, let me okay, so these are the so I have created this 7 image carousels. Okay, this is in the first part. Let me show you my guides and guides. Okay, so as you can see, these are the guides that I have used here also. 1 2 3. So these first images are into 4 equal parts, then second image are into 4 equal parts, and the last image I have not used in my carousel. Okay, so you are free to choose. So that's how you create wonderful Instagram smooth carousel that will stand out your Instagram profile. Okay, thank you so much.